What's up, everybody? The 1B here, and I am going to be doing some video editing on a old video. I have a handful of videos back from January, maybe even one from November, that I kind of want to get done before I get to the ones that I currently have backlogged to be done. And so let's go ahead and drag this over here. I actually started it and forgot to start recording, but yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this. Let's get rid of these. Let's delete these tracks. This is on Portal. I created a Portal thumbnail for my playthrough. And yeah, for the most part, it's going to be fairly simple. I just want to double check to what am I doing here? Why is there no audio? Well, just for this one, because of the title and everything being over here, and we're going to check over here. Okay. As long as I'm still like there, not like AFK, there's just random noise in the background or something. Thumbnail. Looking down at my notes right now. Right. Games basically come and go, and so in the past I've had interest lost when we go from playing one game regularly to another, right? We kind of lose members, and I kind of want to keep people around, keep friends around, keep them in touch, and, you know, have interaction with people still. So that's the community front. That's a whole other topic, but basically this is graphic design, thumbnail creation for YouTube, and that's that for this. Peace. Peace. Okay. We should definitely cut that. Grab this one. Turn it up. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. I'm gonna grab this one. Turn that up. I think we're okay now. I think we file, save, file, export to media. So yeah, that was a pretty quick edit. Wow, 2 minutes, 58 seconds. I'm getting faster at these. All I'm doing is adding the end screens, you know, trimming the beginning, trimming the end. I gotta trim the beginning before I. All right, so here we are again, making another. Here is my template that I created and I'm just basically going to kind of walk you. All right, so here we are. We're going to just go ahead and trim. We're going to link these back up, by the way. Trim that. Both of them, and pull it. Three. There's no gap. That's just the audio ending on this video and then picking up there. So we're okay. We file save. I spoke too soon. 2 minutes. All right. The 1B creates a Portal thumbnail. Version 1. Save. We're going to queue that. Adobe Media Encoders. Pop it open. And yeah, I think that's it. So once this is up, basically all I got to do is start the queue and it'll start rendering. For the time being, I have one other video, and then I have a Witcher video. Because I've been playing through The Witcher, but I didn't record it, which I'm super disappointed that I didn't. It's basically the only game in 3 years that I've played that I haven't recorded. It was something that I kind of wanted to pick up, to pick up and play here and there. And I didn't want to have to turn on OBS every time. Like, I wanted to be able to play it during the day, maybe if I had a minute, because it's very much a game where I can pause and the kids won't, like if the kids need me to come play or whatever, I can just pause it and go and do that. And I couldn't leave the recording going, and I couldn't stream it or whatever, because I've streamed almost all the games except some PUBG stuff. So I have like an hour of gameplay there, which I'm just going to upload just for the heck of it. Like, it's not really going to be like anything astounding. I do want to capture the end, so you can at least get, like, I do like to do a little wrap up at the end when I finish a game while the credits are rolling, kind of what I disliked about it, and then I put that into a Steam review. So I think I have like a chapter and a half, maybe even less, on The Witcher. So anyway, yeah, watch for that. This video is pretty much done. And I got a couple more older videos, older as in January, maybe November. And then the rest are pretty much current video editing and thumbnail stuff. So, yeah, just keep watching. I have videos coming out every day right now. Some of the stuff is, like I said, I video edited. I'm just dropping my end screen in. There's a little chatter in there. But that's it, yeah. So, thanks again for watching, everybody, and stay healthy out there. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.